So in the week one class session, you're told to first read chapter 13 out of our AWES textbook, which is our grammar textbook. And just a reminder, you need to purchase your own physical copy or the ebook version online. Now, where you can find the sections that you need to read each week is by going to our course page on MULearn, go down to the module that says syllabus, and then click on this link right here. And I recommend maybe printing out the syllabus, which you can do right here, and keeping it on hand. You can even download it to your desktop. So we're going to scroll down to page 4 where it lists out all the assignments that are due in week 1. So we see course assignments in week 1. Now, if you go to number 2, you'll see where it says read Sutton and Fisher, and then it lists out all of these chapters. And what I want you to do is go down to C and read chapter 13 first. And this chapter, you're only going to read certain sections out of it. You're going to read where it talks about nouns, verbs, and prepositions. And then also where it talks about conjunctions and subjects and predicates. Now, I will say that we'll be jumping around a bit in the book. We're not always going to be reading chapters in order, and sometimes we're only going to read sections of chapters. So if you see here where it says chapter 13, if you go down a little bit, you'll notice right here in the orange text where it says nouns. And you'll see on the previous or on the next page or two that it'll then say verbs. So you're only going to read the sections for the parts of speech that are given. You're not required to read all of chapter 13, which would be a very long chapter. So make sure and just pay attention to the sections you need to read that are listed in the syllabus.